Hey guys, if you want to see how to make this cute Santa Cam cut file for your ornaments, please stay tuned and don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks. Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you how to make the cut file for the Santa Cam ornaments. So go ahead and open up Cricut Design Space. I already have it open here. And then you're going to click on New Project, which I've already got here. You can also click on New. So first we're going to start off with the camera part. So I'm going to go over to Shapes. Click on that, click on Circle. It's going to pull you a circle up. I'm going to do mine, I'm going to change the height that appears to the width. It's the same because it's a circle. So we're going to do 2 on that. I'm going to go ahead and change the color to a lighter gray. Select it again and hit duplicate. This is going to give you another circle. You're going to make this one smaller. So 1.5 is perfect. And you can adjust this depending on what kind of ornament you're putting these on. I'm just kind of giving you an outline here of how to do it. We're going to change this second smaller circle to black. Okay. To center these evenly, I'm going to hold down my left mouse button and select them. Then click on Align and Center Horizontally. So they're nice and centered. So you're going to go back over here to Shapes and click on Circle again. You're going to make this one smaller. This is going to be the little white circle that's going to go inside the black circle. And I'm going to change it to white. I'm going to place it right here to the right side. Just like that. And then you can do one of 2 things. You can go back to Shapes and click on Circle again for the small red one we're about to make. Or you can just select the white one. It's easier. Hit duplicate. It's going to give you another one here. You're going to make that a little bit smaller, how about like that. And you want it in the right upper corner, right here. About right there, looks good. I change it to red because this is the recording part of it. So there's your camera. The camera is done. That's simple. So depending on what you want to type out, you can go over here to text. I'm going to do Santa Cams. So I'm going to type out Santa first. I'm going to go ahead and move it above my ornament, my camera here. Now you can change the font to whatever you want, whether it's for a little boy or a little girl, or just, whatever you want it for. You could buy fonts from Cricut, or you could either buy them online on Etsy, from different websites. You can also get some free ones for personal use from defont.com. I'm going to use the font DK, I think it's Jambo, is how you say it. I just like the curliness of it. I think it's kind of cute for the font here. Kind of goes with it. So I'm going to make Santa a little bit bigger. Kind of center that. Then I'm going to go to text again and I'm going to type in Cam. It's automatically going to set it to that default font of what you use for the first word. I'm going to put it in the center on the middle at the bottom. Make it a little bit bigger. And it's that simple, guys. You're all done now. So I do my Santa Cam ornaments black with black glitter. So I always try to change the colors on the screen. I'm going to go ahead and change the font color to yellow just because I want it a different color. I'm also going to change Cam to the same color yellow. This way it lets the Cricut machine know what parts to cut together. So you should cut 4 separate colors here. 5, sorry. Yeah, so you have 5 because this little red one will go by itself too. So you'll have the yellow, red, gray, black, and white. I usually typically keep these kind of the similar color as to what vinyl I'm going to be using. Of course, you don't have to. Whatever vinyl you put in is the color it's going to cut. So just keep that in mind. I just like to do it like this so you can see what's paired together. A lot of people do different color ornaments. I just prefer the black ornament for Santa Cams. And you can also do the elf cam as well. Just, all you do is take Santa off and type elf and put it up there. So it's that simple, guys. You don't have to buy a file. You can make your own right here in Cricut Design Space. And once you're done, I always like to save the projects just so if I want to do more later on, I can just open it back up. I don't have to remake it. So you'll click on save, type in whatever you want it, Santa/elfcam, and it's up to you if you want it public or not. I don't really know that it matters. I think other people can view it. I'm not sure. So I just click save so it's in my files. I'm going to save it to both. And then you're ready to cut. So all you'll do now is click on make it. So you see how this will be separated. So you've got the different colors separated here. It prompts you to cut out different ones, and it prompts you to cut out whatever color you want for that word or design you have on there. So, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys, and it's a super easy, fun craft to make, and I will link the other video on this one so you can see how to make the actual ornament with the glitter, and all you do is cut the file out, and you're good to go. You have your cute little Santa cam ornament and ready to sell at vendor events or give them away for gifts. Hope you enjoy, guys. Please like and subscribe. Thanks.